This is the brand new Lava Me Spruce. All right, let's take a look at the Create section of the app. So we'll go over here and tap Create. Now we've got a few options here, loops, improvs, and respond improvs. I want to start things off by going into improvs. So this is probably my favorite feature on the guitar. It's the built-in backing tracks that are just designed for you to improvise along to. You can see we've got some different genres up along the top here, and you can see it's got the key for all these individual ones. I'm going to hop over to funk here, and before I jump into the track, one thing to take note of, and you're going to see as I'm playing, is it's actually going to show the chord changes as we go along. So it's going to show the current chord that the track is on, and then it's also going to show the upcoming chord. So not only can you improvise along with the key, you can also be improvising along to the actual chord changes, which is a very important skill to work on. I even have the option to record my improvisation, but I'm just going to hit play here because it's recording on the computer anyway. So inside the Create section, we also have loops, which allow you to create your own loops along to a drum track, a built-in drum track. So if you want to play some chords and then layer some stuff over top of it and record it, you can do that there. And then we also have Respond Improvs, which allow people from the community to upload their improvisations, and then you can kind of do a back and forth responding to their improv. It's pretty cool. This guitar also has built-in guitar lessons in the Learn app. So all the way from beginner, intermediate, advanced, all different types of genres and stuff, all on board right here inside the guitar. So if you're looking for something new to work on in your practice routine, or you're bored of your current practice routine, you can find new stuff to work on right here. So if we go over here, we have skills, collections, levels. We're going to go into skills. Now you can see that there are a few different categories up at the top here. Let's say I want to go to technique. And I want to learn a new technique, so I'm going to scroll through, find something that looks interesting to me. And let's say the Spider Walk 2 here looks good, so I'm going to hit play. And you can see we've got the tabs for it right there. And if I go down here, I can actually change the speed of the exercise if I feel like it's too fast. We can add a metronome here as well, very cool. But then if I hit play, go. All right, next up, let's take a look at these wireless pedals. Each one controls a different app on the guitar. So the one on the left here is going to control our effects, and then the one on the right is going to control our live drums. So let's start off with the effects one here. And what you have to do is you have to set up a template first inside the guitar so that it actually has effects to switch between. So I've gone ahead and set up two different templates. So then what happens is, of the three buttons here, each one selects a different effect from that template. So we're on template 1. So if I click this guy on, we've got reverb. If I go to the next one, well, now I've got chorus. And then if I want to move to a different template, so I want a different set of effects, I'm playing live or whatever, I just hit the arrow. So I've set up another template here, and then I can select one from template 2. So now I've got this black hole effect. And I can select other things from there. This guy right here. Now, if we move over to the other pedal here, this is gonna control our live drums. So if you are busking, again, in a live scenario, whatever, and you wanna have drums in the background of what you're playing, this essentially is gonna allow you to control that without having to use the touch screen. So we've got A, B, and C here. This is gonna select between 3 different drum beats. And then we've got reset, break, ending, stop, and tap. So if I hit A here, it's gonna start our drum beat. All right, and if I wanna speed that up, right? Put it somewhere there. And then what I can do is I can actually, and I can preset which beats I wanna use, but there, it's gonna add that snare in, and so on and so forth. Now I'm gonna hit stop. All right, so let's try playing along with this. So I'm gonna hit A to start. Let's take a look at some of the other cool apps we have access to with this guitar. So you can see we've got a tuner, very important. We've got a metronome, which is labeled as tempo here. Effects we've looked at. Recorder, so you can just straight up record yourself without any of the extra features. We've got this practice app here, which I'm going to show you in a second. Live drums we've talked about. Learn we've looked at. Create we've also looked at. Then we've got some other things like leaderboard, photos, music, settings. So let's just go into practice here. And you can see we've also got some exercises that are a little bit different than the stuff that we had in the Learn app. So we can work on our chord transitions, strumming, arpeggio training, scale training, ear training, all cool stuff. If I tap through, you can see that we can start working on our note recognition. There's different levels of that, which allows us to do our ear training. So pretty handy to have on the guitar. And obviously you can practice and work on these other skills here as well. So a quick overview of the specs and features of this guitar. The most obvious thing is that it's got the Spruce top. Now, in my opinion, this actually improves the acoustic qualities of the guitar. It does make it sound a little bit better in the room. And then also, if you're more a fan of the traditional acoustic guitar look and like something a little less modern, like their carbon fiber or something like that, then this is gonna be way more up your alley, right? Looks a little bit more standard. Then we've also got the laminate back and sides, which look awesome. The total length of this guitar is only 36 inches, which makes it really great for traveling. Then you've also got the 3.5-inch touch display, and this thing is running their newest operating system called High Lava 2.0. Lastly, this guitar comes in at $699 US. However, you will have to pay extra if you want the dock or the pedals. If you want to learn more about this all-in-one acoustic electric guitar, or you want to pick one up for yourself, I'll have a special link for you at the very top of the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.